Welcome back, everybody, to the channel where we are growing our indoor cannabis in small spaces together. And today is the big reveal of the big tent. And I wanted to give you a little bit of perspective of the size in relationship to where I'm growing in my one-bedroom apartment. This is in my living room. Pretty quiet, doesn't take up that much space. So ideal, again, for keeping it simple and in small spaces. So this is my 2 foot by 4 foot long by about 6.5 feet tall. What I like about this dimension is especially this upper headroom. You can see my exhaust tube goes out the back over the top. You can't even see it, it's so high. But this gives you a lot of room for your exhaust system and still leaves you a lot of room inside the tent for lights, fans, and of course, your plants. So let's take a look inside. So let's take a look inside the tent. Once I've unzipped all the doors and pulled them back, we can get a little better perspective, especially of where your growing room space is within your tent, is what you're seeing right now. And that headroom in the tent above it, you can't even see, houses our exhaust system, and that never moves or changes. So that's what I like about this particular tent. So looking inside, what is it full of? Let's go in a little closer. I have a fan mounted from the ceiling. That pretty much doesn't change either. And then our lights are kind of at mid-level right now. I have 2 separate LED lights, which is also convenient. They're in pulley systems. They go up, they'll go down. Mainly they're going to be going up because so are our plants. But this one in particular, I like because I start my little ones underneath this one, and it has a dimmer on it. So I can give them kind of a soft landing into this tent, and also from T4s to LED lights. And then when they get tall enough, I put on the other light and have them side by side. Another shout out to this fabulous soil company, Detroit Nutrient Company. Just add water. Let's keep it simple. Let's also take a look at, I always recycle my cloth pots, empty them out, and just refill them with new soil. I'm using that same method here, as you can see, the container in the middle, and then filling the new soil around it so it creates that cavity for an easy transfer. But you can also see the amount of floor space we have. Each of these little lifts, drainage lift stands, give you an idea of what's going to be taking up this space once we get our 3-5 gallon pots in here. So you can hear it's pretty quiet. Very easy to have within your livable space. Yeah. Let's go small, let's keep it simple.